Hello, dear friends. I hope you all are doing well. And today we will discuss the rest of the chapter. And are you ready? Yes. Savitri Kuti and Aisha brought coconut shells for playing. Then Savitri Kuti is saying that I have brought 23, and Aisha saying that and I have 14. And we have a question that how many shells did they together bring? അവർ രണ്ടുപേരും കൂടി എത്ര ഷെൽസ് വാങ്ങി എന്നാണ് ചോദ്യം. Then Savitri bought 23 and Aisha bought 14. Then 23 is 20 plus 3 and 14 is 10 plus 4. Then 20 plus 10, it is 30, and 3 plus 4, it is 7. That is 30 plus 7. 37 is the total shells they brought together. Now we got that 37 is the total shells. So we can write in that box 37. Here you can see a heading മഡ്ഡപ്പംസ്, റൈറ്റ്? നിങ്ങൾ എപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും കളിമണ്ണ് കൊണ്ട് അപ്പം ചുട്ട് കളിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? യെസ്. നൗ Savitri Kuti and Aisha playing with മഡ്ഡപ്പംസ്, right? They made മഡ്ഡപ്പംസ് with the coconut shells, each trying to make more. Savitri Kuti made 21 and Aisha made 16. സാവിത്രി കുട്ടി 21 അപ്പം ഉണ്ടാക്കി, അതുപോലെ ആയിഷ 16 അപ്പവും ഉണ്ടാക്കി. Here again in another question, who made more? Who made more? ആരാ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത്? യെസ്, that is 21 by Savitri Kuti. Savitri Kuti made 21 appams. So you want to write there Savitri Kuti. Then below that question you can see how many more. That is എത്ര കൂടുതലാണ് സാവിത്രി കുട്ടി ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത്? ആയിഷ made 16. Then 16 plus 5, that is 21. എത്ര കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കി? യെസ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 5 more. 16ൻ്റെ കൂടെ എത്ര കൂട്ടിയാലാണ് 21 കിട്ടുക എന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ എത്രയാണ്? 5 സോ ഐ എം റൈറ്റിംഗ് ദർ, യു വാണ്ട് ടു റൈറ്റ് ദർ 5. ഓക്കെ. ദെൻ ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, how many appams did they make together? Yes, Aisha made 16 and Savitri Kuti made 21, right? Then 10 plus 6, that is 16 by Aisha, and 20 plus 1, that is 21 by Savitri Kuti. And 10 plus 20, 30, and 6 plus 1, 7. 30 plus 7, 37 is the total മഡ്ഡപ്പംസ് made by Savitri Kuti and Aisha. And we can write 37 in the last box. That question is how many appams did they make together? That is 37. The next heading is mischief maker. Kunyunni mischievously ran over their മഡ്ഡപ്പംസ്. 7 of them were crumbed. How many are left? കുഞ്ഞുണ്ണി മഡ്ഡപ്പമുള്ളിടത്തേക്ക് ഓടി വന്നു. അപ്പോൾ എന്തായി? 7 of them were crumbed. 7 പൊട്ടിപ്പോയി. How many are left? ബാക്കി എത്ര എണ്ണം ഉണ്ടാവും? The total muddappams were 37. Then 30 will be left. That is 30 plus 7 is 37. So 30 is the answer. Now we can go through Veluchetan's house. See the bricks to build Veluchetan's house. There are many bricks. There are 2 stacks. How many in each? You can see there are 2 stacks. In first stacks, how many of them are there? In bottom row, there are 5 bricks and there are 4 rows with 5 bricks in one row. That is 4 times 5 bricks. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is 20. Then again you can see in the 5th row there are 3 more bricks remaining. That is 20 plus 3. 23 is the total bricks in the first stack. You want to write 23 on that box. You can see there is a small box. You want to write there. In second stack, you want to count all that bricks and write in that small box. And last you can see there is a big box to write the total. That is, you want to add the numbers of bricks in first stack and second stack and write the total in that box. Okay? And dear friends, this is for today. Thank you.